Hello, welcome to Open Shores. You will hear two people introduce themselves. They will talk about themselves. Listen. Write down the information that they share. We will listen 3 times. Here is person number 1. My first name is Harry. Harry. My family name is Iwanyuk. That's spelled E-W-A-N-I-U-K. I am from Ukraine. I live in Nanaimo now. I am married. My wife's name is Anna. I have 2 children. In my home country, I was a farmer. In Canada, I am retired. I study English. My favorite food is pizza. For fun, I have some hobbies. I like fishing and hiking. I don't like swimming. Now, person number 2. My first name is May. My family name is Chu, C-H-U. I am from China. I live in Nanaimo now. I am married. My husband's name is Bob. I have 4 children. In my home country, I was a nurse. In Canada, I am retired. I study English. My favorite food is fish and eggs. For fun, I have these hobbies. I like cooking, reading. I don't like walking.